If you're anything like me, you don't like putting your life on pause every time it rains. So today, I'm testing some waterproof hiking gear from Little Donkey Andy. Now I can go outside no matter the weather, and I couldn't be happier. And these waterproof pants and jacket come shipped to your door, ready to protect you from the elements as well. I opened them up and laid them out. My favorite colors are black and red, and I got these specifically because of the red zippers. I think it looks pretty sleek. The fabric feels durable, and I like their branding. It definitely looks like professional gear. I tried them on, everything fit well, and was comfortable to wear. The jacket and pants have a waterproof liner and are both loaded with several pockets, multiple of them being waterproof zipper pockets to keep your items safe. The jacket even has an inner pocket for extra water protection. Then the jacket and pants both have adjustable cuffs, so you can get a snug fit around your wrists and ankles. The hood of the jacket has a bungee that you can pull to secure the hood to your head. It even creates a little bill to help with rain. But you also have the option to remove the hood entirely if you'd like. The pants have a stretchy waistband, as well as belt loops to secure them down. And first impressions, I really like them. So I waited for the weather to turn, and then grabbed my dog, and then went out to go brave the storm. We went for a hike through the woods, and everything but my hands, feet, and dog stayed dry. The water would beat up on the fabric, and I could just shake it off. The bill of the hood kept my head dry, and the adjustable cuffs kept everything sealed, so rain wouldn't get in. And by the end of the hike, it was downpouring rain. But as you can see, the hood still did its job. And when I go inside and unzip my jacket, my clothes underneath were dry. Mostly. No rain got in, but I did sweat a lot, because the jackets and pants are warm. Since they're waterproof, no breeze is going to get in either. So these will be perfect in the upcoming winter months when it starts snowing. My only complaint is that the shades of black are ever so slightly different. But these are designed for the outdoors and to protect you from the elements, not to impress your friends. So I'm okay with it. So if you want to go out in the rain or snow, whether it be to go on a hike or take out the trash, these pants and rain jacket from Little Donkey Andy might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go shopping for some new waterproof shoes. See ya.